Okay, students, let us do the ninth sum. The sum says a particle starts with velocity 5 meter per second. So v is given to you and moves with an acceleration of 2 cos pi by 6t meter per second square. Find its velocity and distance at the end of 2 seconds. So now moves with an acceleration. So given is what? Acceleration. So acceleration is denoted by a equal to 2 cos pi by 6t. Remember, pi by 6t is the angle. Okay, we know very well that acceleration is what? Dv by dt. Okay, so dv by dt equal to 2 cos pi by 6t. So we shift the dt value over here. So we get dv equal to 2 cos pi by 6t into dt. Now integrating on both sides, what we get? Integrating, we get v equal to 2 constant. Integration of cos theta is what? Sin theta. Sin theta, theta was pi by 6t, but the coefficient of theta, that is t, is what? Pi by 6. So we write it down, that is here pi by 6 plus c value. Okay, so this pi by 6 goes up, it becomes v equal to 2 into 6 upon pi, okay, sin pi by 6t plus c. Okay, so now the first condition is what? V a particle starts with velocity what? 5. Starts with what? T equal to 0. So at t equal to 0, v value given is what? 5 meter per second. Therefore 5 equal to, this is 12, pi is what? 22 upon 7, ऊपर लिखेंगे, into 7. Sin 0 is what? 0 plus c. Therefore 0 into any value is 0. Therefore c equal to 5. Then the equation becomes, the equation is v equal to 2 sin pi by 6t. So pi by 6 upon pi by 6 plus 5. So this pi by 6 went up, it becomes v equal to, it is 12 upon, pi was 22 और 7 ऊपर गया, sin of pi by 6t plus 5. Now the condition given is what? At t equal to, that is t equal to 2 seconds, we want velocity and distance. So we will get first velocity. So v at t equal to 2 seconds, what we get? 12 into 7 upon 22 sin of pi by 6 into 2 plus 5. So this is 2 11s are 2 6s are, so 42 upon 11, 2 1s are 2 3s are, sin pi by 3 is what? 60 plus 5. So 42 upon 11, sin 60 is what? Root 3 by 2 plus 5. 2 1s are 2, 21. So 21 into 1.732 upon 11 plus 5. And when you solve this, this value is 3.3 plus 5, and we get the answer as 8.3 meter per second. So first part we got it, that is velocity. Okay, now the second part is we want distance.